they suck. You just keep pushing. You keep finding things wrong. That's what you do. You keep finding things wrong. Everything you keep finding, everything you can find wrong. When you know I look good, instead of just saying, "Yo, you look good." You keep talking my headline get pushed back, but it is what it is, bro.
You can be. I know how brown.
I'll be fine. I'm gonna be all right.
You want to say?
I'm thinking now. I'm gonna start skating again. Yeah, let's start skating, Tori.
The way you look at people, you don't even have to say.
Y'all get me on the box. I'm gonna play some more music. Y'all get me on the box so I can open up a panel. You know what I'm saying? Get me on the box real quick. Oh, is that Lex? Did I just see my nigga Lex in the building?
They said about.
Yo, Lex, what up? You had to come back on these niggas. You feel what I'm saying? But I'm gonna be. Yo, let me play my shit again. Hold on. Yo. Yo, Lex! What up? How long you been back, B? I see the girls in the club, they getting wild for me. And all the pretty chicks all wanna smile like me. These rap cats, man, they all got this style from me. And if I ever see them, they probably like me. Drop, I know they gon' leave. World debut, I know they gon' fame. Everything Mississippi to the Palm Springs. Girls from Blue down to Blonde Queens. These young boys don't know what a dawn means. I'm just a bad boy, gone clean.
He got the job with his hands.
I explain it to my brother, Greek box in the top down, it ain't over. You know this more man where that come from. Made it through the love, on the back to back.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, you see me?
That was
I'm skating around this motherfucking life. Harlem. You know what time it is. Let's go. You know you like that. I appreciate that, y'all. You know you like that. I love myself. See, I rep the most high, still I'm the most fly. I was the one that wanna know who I'm close by. Every day I'm close by chicks when I was on top. Wanna give me some shot, but I'm like, don't try. I see the issues in the dishes when I go by. I see the missions on my wrist when I flow by. Self-control and I can't tell you no lie. Hey, yo. They tell me they ain't want me with my dirty ass beard. You ain't want me with my beard. Get out of here. If you ain't want me with my beard, get out of here.
But he don't.
I'm living without the coca, living the vida without the loca. I'm down south, so they show me country love, and I ain't giving country love. The people give me naps and hugs, so it must be love. And I love the country love. It feels good, it is good to see your love come back. And I ain't even stood in traffic, no matter how it's at. Stop or change since I've been around. But the game ain't the same since I left out. I know how to skate backwards. What's up, cutie pie? You know you like that. You know you like that. See the names that won't change since I've been around. But the game ain't the same since I left out.
told me when I had a swollen face, back up. Hey, yo, keep going. We almost had a fucking box. I want to talk to y'all. Yo, what up, True? Tori, what's good? When you gonna get your skates? Listen, we having like a 70s disco party, man. I went and got disco balls. You know I'm a busybody. I be moving around. We have a skate party, yo. Right? We gonna have a 70s skate party. It's gonna be crazy. I've been working on this music. I got some songs, man. I just got ideas, man. Like, I feel like we should have a 70s skate party. What y'all feel about that? I just feel like it. I'm feeling it in my butt. Feeling all in my feet. Let me see. I know somebody just said something for Lovely. Just threw the... Yo. 80s? Some PG's right. See, I got some music here. Let me see, cause I got a whole outfit, yo. This shit funny. We went to Party City. And I got... Don't tell them? Okay, don't show it yet. Alright, they said don't show it yet. This weekend we gonna do it, man. I got the disco balls.
I didn't say that.
2 of them Johns, bruh. I've been practicing my motherfucking Yo, shout out to everybody for welcoming me back. Give me on a star so we can open up a panel, yo.
They give you medicine.
You know what I'm saying? And beep. Your boy getting ready. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Yo, I got a lot of stuff I've been doing every day because you know I can't stay still. So I've been working on some shit. I got this playlist for you. Oh, you can see my dimple now? Yeah, it's there. Don't worry about it. Oh yeah, it's called Skate Night. I've been working on this joint right here. It's called Skate Night. Oh yeah, you know. Oh, come on, B. You know they can't. Come on, man.
Yeah, I was looking like I ain't know Family Dollar had all this shit like for your house. I didn't know that. I don't.
Huh? Yeah.
Get a rug. Yeah, they got all that. You went to the one right there where Stabilize used to be.
No, it's right down the street from
Right
Sam.
down the street, yeah.
And I ain't even know it's a gyro restaurant right there too. That's what Larry used to say. Remember I told you that lady?
I've been sweating a lot. It's good because it's good for my hypertension.
That's why I got the toaster.
I've been working out, doing my push-ups, you know what I'm saying? Working out every day, thinking about you.
I'm like, I've been walking past.
What up, lady?
I told her Larry her dad. She was like, what? Nobody knew he died. Because he always used to go and check on her. And that's where he be getting most of his stuff from the shop from her. Like his little bulbs.
She didn't know.
She didn't even know. She was trying to talk.
You know I ain't nothing older than me. You know what I'm saying?
Old people like to keep talking.
Yeah.
I gotta go. My wife is waiting on me. Sometimes you gotta
I'm too strong for that.
Conversation short.
Yeah, I need a punching bag too. I'm punching it, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, turn me up in the headphones. Like that. Yeah.
Hey, get me on the box. Let's go.
On the hot track, melt like it's hot wax. Put it out, all the stores, bet you can shop at. Leave it here with a hot hat, something like that. Stop that. It's no guy slipping in this young fly mister. Nickel 9 nigga, float you die quicker. This bedtime, out of town pop tripper. Turn Chris Styles to crooked eye slipper. Everybody running fast, see the cash. Play around with that, get a heat mash. Anything you got, boy, win the smash. Stash, bulletproof. So I can spoil them. Niggas wanna be the one to respect. Keep them in your next rap, shut up. so it still connect. Got things, nothing, so you suck my juice.
Hey,
Fight my ooze, anything I
got so much to catch up with y'all with, man. I learned so much over these couple of days. So much stuff has came to me. I want to sit and talk to y'all. Like we gotta catch up. We gotta like rendezvous. We gotta, you know what I'm saying? Like we gotta talk. You know what I'm saying? Cause so much stuff happened. You know what I'm saying? And it's like, damn, so many epiphanies. You know, just spending time, you know, alone. You know what I'm saying? Just meditating. Like my mind just showed me a lot. Usually I'm pushing out reflection, but I was just really doing some self-reflecting, right? Found out a lot about myself. Yo, we're gonna talk, but keep going. Give me to a box so we can open up. Let's get it.
Jump rules, pub niggas on one. We ain't stuck with rules. Good fellas, you know you can't touch me. Push us, cause we're close to the edge. We're trying not to lose our heads. Why you wanna take it? I get some time to make you wonder why you wanna take it. Why you wanna take it? Nobody take my pride. Can't nobody hold me down. Oh no, I got to keep on moving.
Hey, all the girls got skates. It's gonna be crazy. Hey, yo, guess what? Guess what I got? I went, and now we got like a basketball court, right? Right down the mountain. We're gonna turn that basketball court into a skating ring, nigga. And I'm gonna bring my DJ equipment down there. It's a big basketball court. We all got our skates. Crazy on that joint. Got invited if y'all wanna come to PR, let me know. Coming, Nina.
Why you wanna take it? I get the feeling sometimes to make me wonder why you wanna take it. Why you wanna take it? Nobody take my pride. Can't nobody hold me down. Oh no, I got to keep on moving. Quick, you a big cat. Where your kicks at? Where your whips at?
Come bring your skates, man. We gonna have a skate party, yaddy. You heard? Come on, man. Come on. The key to love
You like that
is
shit.
understanding.
The
message of today is,
he's back like fuck y'all. Y'all was talking shit.
man, no matter what happened, you keep going. Keep going, stay strong. We're gonna talk about that when y'all get me on that bubble. You already. You get me on that box. Tip of axe. The key to love is understanding. It's understanding, man. Come on, man. Come on, man.
He bought him a DJ.
I got some shit for y'all though. Anna, what's up? I heard you was holding it down while we were gone. We're really starting back tomorrow. We're gonna start back tomorrow. But I like this. I like this song right here. Listen to this song.
Do videos on him talking about
Ooh, that shit. I see you, Joe.
There's ones that we love, we pray that we up, we fight that we trust, go walk and break into the world.